Hi guys! So got something new here, something interesting. It's a Retina screen of an old Retina screen of an old Macbook Pro, 13-inch, and yeah, it's broken. So I already tried to peel off the screen, and now I know why a screen repair for a Retina MacBook, always the complete lid case has to be replaced because you can't get it out, the LCD. It's just that tightly glued. It's just like it's one piece. So, but I'm still going to get the glass off and look what's inside. So this is the screen connector. Yeah, the LCD connector. Here there are the Wi-Fi connectors and the webcam. So there's still a webcam inside, Wi-Fi antenna, I think it's here. And oh, that's me, hello. And yeah, so, and there should be a good light strip because it has some high contrast. So there should be a good yeah, very bright LED strip in here. So let's see if I can peel it off or on some way. So yeah, well, let's try. So here is the Wi-Fi antenna. It's quite big, so I think there are two antennas. Could be that there's also the Bluetooth antenna in here because it has 3 wires, as you can see. So yeah, let's screw this one off. And here you can see the connection to the PCB for the LCD. So let's go further on. So here's the Wi-Fi antenna. As you can see, specially made for those frequencies of 5 GHz and the 2.4. So yeah, and there's the PCB for the LCD. This is the cable of the format, so I can take it off. So there's one nice cable to keep. There's the well-known Apple connector. And there goes the flat cables to the LCD screen. So let's go further on. So there's the PCB for the LCD screen. So it's completely shielded. So here's the connector to the LED strip. So I think it's here or two, I'm not sure. But yeah, let's take off those shields. I already started, if it wasn't that hard. So yeah, let's go on. Take off those shields and let's see what's under there. Connector to the MacBook itself, connector to the LED strip. So let's start here. There's one chip, I think it's the LED controller. Let's see for the part number, and I will look that up. This one. And some miscellaneous stuff. There's one very small chip, can't read it. And then where's the rest? Then this big chip, this should be the screen controller with a local oscillator, 22, 27, what is it? 27 megahertz. Yeah, I think it's for the screen controller then. Some power supply stuff. There's another chip. And by the look of its location, it should be a voltage controller of some kind. And some other stuff, a really tiny other chip. Some coils here. So as you see, it's my finger, so you can see how small it is. And yeah, some capacitors, diodes, transistors, and one really small chip again. And some other stuff, and that's it for here. So yeah, I will write down all the chip numbers in the comments, and if I can find them, I will also write down the schematics or the PDFs from it. So yeah. Right, well, let's see what we can find some more on this screen. Really? Just really? I found the screw holes for taking off the screen. This one is off, this one is off. And here, and there was one here. And there's just one badass mother fucking screw won't go, and it's completely round. So yeah, I have to find a way to crack it or something. So well, we go on. Oh. So finally I got off layer 1 of the LCD. Well, it just broke, and then there's the 2 halves of the LCD. I can feel the crystals, so there you can see it. Here are the crystals of the LCD and some glass powder. So well, this is just the front, as you can see. And so there's the rest of it, and here you can see, I don't know if my camera is, oh yeah, there they are, the individual signal lines going to all the pixels. So these are the horizontals, and here goes the verticals. Maybe and yeah, you can see here the yeah, I can feel the liquid crystal stuff. So, and over here, let's keep it on. There's the webcam with its parts. It's still working, so maybe I can do something with it. And there goes the cable for the webcam. It snakes all the way through here. In this. So yeah. And the other interesting part is, these magnets, because they're neodymium magnets, quite strong. So it's always nice to have. And here are the others. So going to take those out. So, alright. Yeah, quite strong. Cool. Okay. Let's see if I can show you some more of the signal lines to the pixels. I don't know if my camera is capable, but oh yeah, you can see here. Yeah, here you can see the lines. Yeah, quite interesting. Yeah, so And there are the chips on glass. They multiplex the signal to go to all those pixels, because the lines here are not enough for the for all those pixels. So yeah, just a multiplexer chip. Here's one. Here's one. Here's one. And here's one. So, and it goes on and on. Maybe over here we can look. I think it's too hard. Oh yeah, I think my camera can see it. Yeah, there it goes, all those lines. I think there's also some control stuff in here. So let's go on. So I have to break all the glass around to take it out, because it's so tightly glued on the casing, on the lid case. So yeah, just breaking the glass and try not to cut my fingers. So, but yeah, if I take it out, it's some chip-like substance. I see like substance. It's very, very thin. I can't get it. Ah, there's one. No, I can't show you. Wow, I think it's enough for that. So let's try. Ah, there it comes. There's the. Let's see. Oh my, Jesus. Sorry for that. So. It's very tight. So. Well, thank you. So let's peel off the rest, so I can get the magnets, the camera, and go further on. So yeah, there's some interesting stuff here. Are these diffuser layers. This one is just a normal diffuser. These one are prismatic, and you can do some interesting stuff with it. I can show you. So what you see here is my wall, and got some cool laser pointers, a green and a red one. The green one is quite stronger, but yeah, look what happens if I place one of those sheets over it. It becomes a line. So yeah, quite cool. So you can do some interesting laser stuff with it. Yeah, so let's try 2 lasers. So there are 2 lines. I hope you can see it. Oh yeah. So yeah, quite cool. Quite interesting. Cool stuff. No, the other one works better. The other side. So yeah, can do some interesting laser stuff. Well, I keep this for a foggy night, so maybe I can do some cool laser stuff. So there's one other sheet, one other boring in diffuser So there's the white board where the LED shines in, and you can see where the screen was broken. So yeah, let's see, maybe I can find the LED strip. Yeah, there they are. Don't know if you can see it. You can see some lines going. It's very, very thin, as you can see, so it's not that hard to break. So I think I found the LED strip. Look, there it is. How many LEDs there are. I wonder on how many volts it works. So, but how to get it out without breaking it? Yeah, I think it's glued, so. Let's see, let's try. Almost finished with it. And as always, working with glass, you will cut yourself. But oh yeah, you get hurt from it. And there is that cool LED strip. So I wonder how to get it out. I think I have to heat the other side. There goes the cable for the webcam. I'll get it out too. Yeah. Yeah, I wonder. Let's see how to do that. So, and here we have the really small but interesting webcam. So I don't know why it doesn't focus. There it comes. So there's one very small crystal oscillator. There's a chip. There's the camera itself with a light and the light sensor and the lens. And the light sensor is also used for the illumination of the screen. And there also has to be a microphone on it, but not sure where it is. So, and well, come on, stupid. There's the connector. It has a lot of wires. So, yeah, quite a lot of wires. So, I'm not sure why, but if you can see, I can flip this out. Here I have just this interface, and then the camera. Not a lot of parts, but yeah, not breaking this. Could be in handy for something, not sure, but yeah, it's very small. There's that one, and there's the chip. Okay, so there's that, there's that. Then the very last thing is the LED strip. So let's see how I'm not doing that. So finally there's the LED strip. Well, I'm not sure on how many volts it should work. But yeah, there's the connector. So maybe I can find the part on Google. And then let's see what the pin configuration or the other specs are. But yeah, maybe it's interesting to light it up and place it on a wall. So, and the last thing is these magnets shouldn't be that hard. So let's do it. As you see, there's a lot of mess in here. The PCB I keep. Here's the distribution with the chips. Yeah, unfortunately you can see inside the chip. So, yeah, it's a lot of. Yeah, the PCB I'll keep because I'm going to write down and find all the chips on it and put them in the description. So yeah, that was it. A lot of mess, a lot of glass, so I have to get the vacuum cleaner. Blech. I hate vacuum cleaning, but yeah. So that is the reason why, if your Retina screen is broken, why it is a high price for repairing. Because the complete lid case has to be replaced, because the screen isn't supposed to taken out. So yeah. See, so thanks for watching, and if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more. I have another LCD screen and also some other interesting stuff. I have a HD tuner which I'm going to repair. Oh, that's me. Highly misformed by the broken glass. Oh, that's funny. Well, yeah, HD tuner with I think it's a broken power supply, but I'm not sure. So it should be an interesting repair. So, well, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye. So here are the magnets. I have some more, but yeah, they're quite strong, as you can see, and you can do some cool stuff with it, like this. This is aluminium, the case, and I can show you some interesting. It won't stick, so as you see. But if I place it on here and I leave it, on the end is some iron, but yeah, oh, it falls on the ground. So yeah, what happens is the magnet induces a electrical current in the aluminium, so it gets a counter force, but it can't stop it, because if it stops the magnet, the electric current stops. So yeah, quite interesting. You can do a lot of stuff with these magnets, but that's not for now. So